Hey Major Phelps, this is John. I want to go over the new dashboard. All the same features as we've discussed before, but this will be like the new dashboard for the police department. As you can see, this is a demo version of the software. To get down to the nitty gritty on the main changes that we can look for is going to be that now contractors are users in the system. So if you go to account management and go to users, you can see that we actually already have created a temporary, this is a test user in the system as contractor. Contractors have very limited access. They can only view overtime opportunities, general overtime opportunities, sign up for them, and also see the schedule posted for any general overtime opportunity. So let's go over to that area. So from the main dashboard up here, you can go to the overtime hub. The overtime hub is broken down in two categories. You have your general overtime opportunities and you have your patrol overtime opportunities. So from the main overtime hub, you can see a list of all your general overtime opportunities that you have listed. And you can view who has signed up for these opportunities. I go into a lot more detail in the videos for each topic in the video section on the YouTube. But here you can see this is where you have different positions for people to sign up for events. Again, like I said, if you go to the video covering general overtime opportunities, it will teach you how to create, edit, and post any general overtime opportunity into the system. But again, contractors, users, admin, and manager users as well can view and sign up for these overtime opportunities. Now you have your patrol overtime opportunities. This is what I gathered, which was a lot different because that is more on your lieutenants and sergeants who create patrol overtime opportunities. Now this is only available for your users, everyone except for contractors. Let's put it that way. Where your lieutenants and sergeants or whoever you have as a manager or a admin user in the system can create these patrol overtime opportunities for users to sign up for here. And so it'll all be available for everyone to view on the web. So now you have just your general overtime opportunities and your patrol overtime opportunities. Now going back to your overtime ops, this is the one, your fair or parades where you want them to sign up and then you want to create a schedule for them. So not only can you create a schedule off an event here, but you also have your OT schedule. And this will list any schedule that you've created and make it viewable for all the users, including contractors. So these are your different schedules that you have listed throughout the system. And in detail, I go over these in these other videos on YouTube about creating, again, an overtime schedule. But if you go to your overtime ops, as you can see, we created one for the fair, and we want to view that. And then from here, Major, you will be able to generate a schedule. And what this is able to do is it's able to cross-reference all of your people who have signed up so you can view it all on one screen to create an actual schedule. So for example, if 15 people signed up for this one right here, you can create a schedule based on those by adding the positions in here. Again, creating an overtime schedule is listed in the YouTube channel. Let me see if I can find it real quick. You have patrol overtime and short staff alert, creating an overtime schedule, then general overtime creation. So this is your general overview of it. Then I would recommend watching creating an general overtime opportunity, and then how you create a schedule off of it. It's really easy once you watch these videos. You'll see what I'm talking about. Then separately, you have your patrol overtime and your short staff alerts listed in this video. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to call me directly and we will go over them. I will also create additional videos on the other features, but I really wanted to hone in on this real quick and let you know that contractors are users. You can create a schedule, and you have your overtime that's separate from your patrol overtime, but they're all still viewable in a simple navigational way. The layout above is going to be similar to what you wanted, and we covered from a previous version. I really appreciate you going around with me on this, because I think this is very close. And also, emails do go out. Once we've completed this and you're good with this, I can start building up reminders and then adding the text messaging features into this. But I wanted to get this kind of nailed down, and then I can definitely work from this, and it'll be really easy for me to push updates out without interfering with any operational things you have going on. So if this is good, I can build those features and push updates where it will not affect you and your operations, and that's the goal. If you have any questions, again, Major, give me a call, and I really appreciate you.